Voidable marriage. What is voidable marriage? Voidable marriage is marriage that does not have legal recognition or does not have a legal validity. Meaning, in case you are married and you are below the age of 20 years, 20 years is not a legal. When you get married, for instance, and you are only 20 years of age, or below the 20 years of age, the legal age to get married in Nepal is you have to be you have to complete 20 years of age. That marriage gets a legal recognition or legal validity. If the marriage has happened and you are below the age of 20 years, that marriage can be voidable. Another is if somebody has a hearing problem but does not disclose such information when they are planning to get married at the time, but later on when this information surfaces and one of the parties come to know that you have a hearing problem, in such situation, if either of the parties want to annul the marriage, then that marriage can be voidable marriage. Likewise, if somebody is convicted of a heinous crime such as corruption or has been convicted in rape cases, in such situation, if that person is planning to get married or gets married and but does not provide all the information regarding his or her previous backgrounds, in such situation, that marriage can be voidable. Likewise, if somebody has severe disease or has acquired disease such as hepatitis, HIV, or any incurable diseases, in such situation, if he or she does not disclose any information, that non-disclosure of the information constitutes voidable marriage again. Likewise, if somebody does not have reproductive organs, in such situation, again, at the time of marriage, if he or she does not disclose information relating to their health issues, in such situation, if you get married and later on you come to realize or come to know that one of the spouses does not have reproductive organs, in such situation, that marriage also leads to voidable marriage in case one of the parties pursue for annulment. Likewise, false representation or misrepresentation. When you are planning to get married or you've already married, but prior to your marriage, you do not give them the correct information of your identity or anything that goes against you. In such situation, if these kind of information later on surfaces in your life and either one of the parties want to pursue annulment of the marriage, can do it, and that marriage is going to be void.